This is the highest court of the land. There's nowhere else the government can go. We've had a brief statement from number 10 Downing Street saying only that this was an extraordinary decision. It certainly was. There was no question of an equivocal view from the court. It was unanimous. All 11 justices got behind this government with this judgment, which is the worst case scenario for Boris Johnson and the government. He misled the Queen. His decision to prorogue Parliament was deemed to be unlawful. And interestingly and slightly technically, the court agreed with the court in Edinburgh, which found that the original decision to prorogue Parliament was void and of no legal effect. In other words, this Supreme Court judgment rules that the government acted illegally and its prorogation of Parliament effectively has not happened, and that Parliament was not suspended and has technically and legally remained in session, and it is up to the Speaker and members of the House of Commons to decide exactly when they physically reconvene. And I can imagine, given what we have already heard from John Bercow, the Speaker, that MPs are booking their travel arrangements to come back to Westminster to seize upon this judgment and make good the court's decision that they never went in the way in the first place. It's a very bad day for Prime Minister Boris Johnson. He's in New York, by the way, at the UN General Assembly, and there is some speculation, as you would imagine, that he may too be making travel arrangements to come back to London.